This is a brand new 2013 Ford F-150. This truck has an automatic transmission and a 5.0-liter V8. Its top features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, a locking differential, traction control and stability control systems, 100% commercial-free Sirius satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, full power accessories, a trailer hitch receiver, running boards, a passenger side vanity mirror, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, an anti-lock braking system, a keyless entry system, and an auxiliary power outlet. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.
Mac Haik Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We're located at 515 North Interstate 35 East in DeSoto.